Hello again. Hope all of you are fine. And today I've brought you the recipe of a vegetable, and it's a pure vegetarian recipe, and it is how to cook cabbage. Okay, now cabbage is a very nice vegetable. It's full of vitamin K, and that's why it's very healthy and very important in um, building resistance against certain diseases. So it's a nice vegetable. All vegetables that have been given to us and doed to us are good for our health in one way or the other. So is this. Okay, this is a very simple recipe of cabbage that I'm going to share with you today, and you can make it very easily and you will like it too. This is a very simplistic way of making it. All those who are not yet our family members, meaning they have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly do so quickly. Subscribe to our channel and become our family members, and we will be very happy to welcome you all to our family and sharing organic recipes with you, plus nice online workshops with you that will give you a lot of food for thought. So before I start off about how to cook cabbage, please subscribe to the channel, like and share all the recipes, all the videos. Okay, thank you. The very simple ingredients that you are going to use for this recipe are cabbage itself. Of course, you will need cabbage, and you can cut it like this, as I have cut it, longitudinally, julienne cutting, thin and long cutting. And then you're going to cut some onions also. I have cut them, as you can see, again longitudinally, just as you cut them to make rice in. Then I have taken 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, big garlic cloves. Okay, and I'm going to crush that garlic with the hand crusher. So besides that will be the spices, and the spices are the normal spices. One is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I have salt and red chilies. Use them according to your taste, so that the recipe comes out very good for you people as well. Nice recipe. And then I have dried coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of dried coriander powder, and I have cumin seeds. Cumin seeds, you can take almost 3/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that we are going to use to make this simple and wonderful recipe. First of all, take 1 cup of oil, put it in your wok and put it on the stove. Grind the garlic, crush the garlic in the hand crusher, and put that garlic into the oil, because we are going to make it a little golden brown. To the golden brown garlic now, as it's done, we'll see it's done, add the onions. Okay, as I am adding the onions. And to the onions, add the cabbage. Cabbage also goes in. Garlic has gone in, onions have gone in, cabbage has gone in, and all the spices that we had assorted to make this recipe, they also go in at this stage. Okay, then you mix everything with the help of a spoon or ladle, and then you cover it. Okay, put the lid on and let it cook for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, when you will take out off the lid, you will see the things in this shape. The green color will be turning to a bit yellow color. The turmeric powder will give it this color. So this is looking nice. So in a few minutes time, you will see that it gets into this shape. Taste it and see if anything is missing. Well, to my taste, a little sour taste was missing in this, and I added a little apple cider vinegar a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to this cabbage, and then of course I'll put the lid on and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. And in those 1 to 2 minutes the cabbage will be ready. It is ready now. My cabbage is ready, as you can see, and I have dished it out in a dish and garnish it with green chilies. You can garnish it any way you like. So this is cabbage is ready. Simple cabbage is ready. You can serve it with roti, naan, paratha, bread, or pita bread, anything that you like. Okay, so do make the recipe. It's a very simple one, and do like, share, and do comment also how you liked it. And besides that, do subscribe to the channel, to the channel Life Themes with Faria Habib, and embark with us on a journey of wellness. Take care of yourselves. Cheers.